Ma'am, does the snoring affect other organs of the body? If yes, then what are the effects of it?
Definitely yes. Snoring affects almost every organ in your body.
Okay.
Because if you think about it, oxygen,
Mm-hmm.
it is the basic essential thing of life,
Yes.
of well-being. You're depriving your body of oxygen every time you sleep,
Okay.
every night. So it causes a lot of consequences in a long term.
Okay.
So what are the consequences? High blood pressure,
Mm-hmm.
diabetes,
Mm-hmm.
cardiac problems, heart attack, sudden cardiac death, cardiac arrhythmias, paralytic stroke, depression, obesity, anxiety, and now it's been linked to sleep apnea has been linked to cancer, kidney diseases. These are the
Okay.
latest research.
Developments.
Yes. So how does it cause all these things? Whenever you stop breathing, your oxygen levels drop.
Yes.
Whenever your oxygen levels drop, to keep you alive at that moment, your body undergoes certain changes. It releases stress hormones.
Okay.
These are called fight or flight hormones.
Mm-hmm.
So they keep you keep you alive at that point of time. How? They increase your heart rate,
Mm-hmm.
they increase your vascular resistance, and they keep the blood flow going to your vital organs, heart and brain. And the apnea is over. Your oxygen is restored, but the steroids are still there.
Then.
The stress hormones are still there, doing all the harm that they're doing. So if you take an example of somebody who's taking steroids for any other reason, asthma or any other reason, what do you usually see the complications? The person gains weight,
Weight.
skin becomes thin, bones become weak, person develops diabetes, person develops high blood pressure. So these are the exact same things that are happening without taking steroids, with you stopping breathing every night.
Okay.
Similarly, heart attacks.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody who has sleep apnea is 3 times more prone to get a heart attack.
Oh.
Somebody who has sleep apnea is 4 times likely to have cardiac arrhythmias. 40 times higher risk of having sudden cardiac death. If you take, for an instance, heart attacks or sudden cardiac deaths, they happen usually between midnight to mid-morning.
Yes.
Very rarely that you hear somebody had a heart attack in the evening.
Yes.
It does happen, but mostly
Yes.
midnight to mid-morning. Person wakes up in the morning unable to move their
Mm-hmm.
arm or leg. Person wakes up to go to the bathroom and falls
Yes.
because of weakness. So sleep apnea is a attributed risk factor for all these individual risk factor for hypertension.
Mm.
So these are the